Welcome to Planet Crypto Today, your channel for news related to the world of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin briefly reaches $29,000 despite recent BINANCE crackdown. Senator advocates for banning cryptocurrencies. Massive withdrawals from BINANCE following CFTC lawsuit. EU launches new legislative project to regulate cryptocurrencies. Is USDC back to normal after the banking crisis? SEC shuts down cryptocurrency exchange.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it.
Bitcoin briefly reaches $29,000 despite recent BINANCE crackdown. On March 30th, the price of Bitcoin reached $29,132, marking a new high for the year, despite recent United States regulatory crackdowns on crypto firms and related uncertainty. The increase comes despite a range of regulatory crackdowns in recent days, such as the United States Commodity Futures Trading Commission lawsuit against BINANCE and its CEO Changpeng Zhao on March 27th. The price bounce back in the wake of such a bombshell development drew surprise from many industry commentators. Some believe this is due to speculation the lawsuit will only result in minor fines for the leading crypto exchange by transaction volume. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index has been steadily increasing over the last month, despite wobbles in the global banking sector. Some traders have argued that the recent price rebounds may have been due to large volume traders buying back in, which was more related to their buying strategies rather than fundamentals. Senator advocates for banning cryptocurrencies. Elizabeth Warren, senator from Massachusetts, is seeking to ban cryptocurrency wallets in the Senate. Warren promised to reintroduce the Digital Asset Anti-Money Laundering Act in February, a proposal that did not advance when she first introduced it with Senator Roger Marshall of Kansas in December 2022. Although the proposal aims to protect Americans from scams, it is more likely to drive cryptocurrency businesses overseas and weaken consumer choice. It prohibits the use of digital asset swaps and requires self-custodial wallets, such as those stored on cell phones, as well as miners and validators, to have anti-money laundering policies. The bill is a smear campaign against the industry and makes Americans more reliant on traditional banks. Massive withdrawals from BINANCE following CFTC lawsuit. BINANCE experienced an outflow of funds worth $1.6 billion after the CFTC filed a lawsuit against them. Investors withdrew more than $134.8 million in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, some of Binance's competitors saw positive flows, such as Bitstamp and Gemini. The exchange still has a balance of over $64 billion. BINANCE and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao, are facing a lawsuit from the CFTC for violating trading and derivatives rules, as well as for violating AML and KYC rules. Zhao described the lawsuit as unexpected and disappointing. EU launches new legislative project to regulate cryptocurrencies. EU launches new legislative project for identification of cryptocurrencies and transfers over €1,000. The new regulation will require crypto asset companies, such as asset managers and banks, to verify the identity of their customers. The regulation demands greater transparency and compliance from crypto asset managers. The crypto industry in Europe is booming and expects equal regulation for all union countries. However, they also fear that rough regulation with absurd measures could affect the growth of this nascent industry. European regulation on cryptocurrency services represents a gamble for B3. The EU seeks to regulate the crypto industry with different instruments, including the well-known MiCA. Is USDC back to normal after the banking crisis? Circle aims to hold USDC reserves directly with the Federal Reserve in the US. The company currently holds 20% of its USDC reserves in cash, with the remainder in US Treasuries. The CFO of Circle, Jeremy Fox-Geen, published a blog post outlining the company's aspirations to maintain direct cash reserves with the Federal Reserve. He also stated that approximately 80% of USDC reserves are held in US Treasuries, with the remaining amount in cash deposits. Circle has taken measures to reduce banking risks following the recent series of bank bankruptcies. In addition, Circle is looking to establish a European headquarters in Paris and has applied to become a fully registered digital asset service provider in France. SEC shuts down cryptocurrency exchange. The SEC has closed the BINANCE cryptocurrency exchange, alleging that it operated without registering as a national securities exchange, broker, or clearing agency. The lawsuit also accuses BINANCE of raising $8 million through the unregistered offering of its native token, BXY. The founder of the exchange used $900,000 for personal use, including gambling. BINANCE executives agreed to cease operations without admitting or denying the allegation and will pay $79,200 in civil fines. The SEC has warned cryptocurrency companies that their business models must comply with the law. In a statement, BINANCE said it had become clear that the regulatory environment was too uncertain to continue operations.
If you liked the video, subscribe to our channel and don't miss a single video. Don't forget to give it a like and share it with your family, friends, or enemies on your social networks.
Don't feel fucking